In this video, I will show you how to fix a suspended Remitly account. So to do this, just open up Remitly, and when you try to sign into your account, you will see something like this. So it will say your profile is suspended. From here, what you want to do is click on Get Help. And then here it will say, why is my account suspended? Just scroll down until you see, can I get my Remitly account back? And scroll further down, and then here you can see the steps. So select the Submit a Request button, complete the short web form, then when you're ready to send the request, select Submit, and then their team will review it and give you an update within 5 days. So once you click Submit Request, you can see right here you just have this web form where you can enter the name on your profile and everything else, and then your phone number. Then they will ask for a transfer reference number, and you can find this in your transfer receipt email. So if you don't have one, you can leave this blank. And tell them more about your recent transfers, who do you send money to, and what is the money for. Just write that right here. And then they will review the information, and within 5 business days they will get back to you. So now you know how to fix a suspended Remitly account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.